2013, we laid out our plans to get into the side-by-side market and how we were going to step-by-step get into multi-purpose and build a firm foundation with product and technology, and then also start planning to enter other categories. And at this point, we just had our four-wheel dealer experiential meeting, and being able to share the progress that we made over those 6 years together with our dealer network has been really exciting and impressive. We've grown that foundation in our multi-purpose sales scale dramatically, 600% from where we started. We've set that foundation, and now we're entering into this phase to enter new categories with sport. Having released the 2P now and the 4P Talon, along with the new technology with the Fox Live Valve Edition, this is now setting the foundation for our sport category step by step. And it's very exciting because while we do this, we're laying out our plans for the next 3 years, going out through 2021, in order to build on that sport foundation, but also going and reinforcing our multi-purpose foundation and ATVs. And with the addition of the new Rancher and Foreman, which are our bread and butter ATVs in the market, they're the top sellers in multi-purpose. We're really excited about keeping that strong and also building on it. So over the next few years, we're going to be looking back and saying, we got a good foundation, but we're still building strong. And we're going to have several other new introductions planned between now and 2021 across side-by-side and across ATV. So that's the really significant part for our dealers. We're growing together, and we're looking in that direction to keep that growth strong.